Donald Trump's longtime attorney Michael Cohen has decided to drop his libel lawsuits against both BuzzFeed and Fusion GPS for the production and publication of the Michael Steele dossier. So he doesn't think anymore that he needs to sue them for defamation based on what was published in that Steele dossier. Now, here's what's interesting about this story. According to Cohen's lawyers, he's dropping this lawsuit because he's already embroiled in all these other scandals and lawsuits and legal proceedings, and he just doesn't have the time or resources to, make this lawsuit a reality. And I can tell you, as somebody who has worked every single day for the last 14 years around plaintiffs' attorneys, that's not what happens at all. There's no such thing as not enough time to handle a lawsuit. That doesn't happen. Any law firm in this country that says, well, we just can't do it. No. Especially if it's a defamation suit. The only reason defamation suits get dropped is because you don't have a case. And that is exactly what has happened here. Michael Cohen and his attorneys are lying to us when they say that they just don't have the time, energy, resources, or whatever to handle this lawsuit. That is a lie. That is not how lawyers in this country operate. They bring on associates. They refer it to another law firm. They do whatever they have to do. They get a continuation. Whatever they have to do if they have a case. And the decision to drop this proves that they don't have a case, which means that obviously the things in the Steele dossier referring to Michael Cohen are true. And we already know that, though. That's already been verified. That he made that overseas trip that he swore he didn't make to Prague. Oh, well, it turns out he was in Prague. And then, oh, yeah, everything that we've actually investigated from the Steele dossier has turned out to be true right now. That's why the defamation suit is being dropped. It's not because he doesn't have the time to handle it. It's because he knows that he can't defend all of the things or prove that they were false that were said about him or maybe anybody else in that dossier. Not to mention the fact that with the new records that the FBI seized from his office, his home, and his hotel room, yeah, it's pretty likely that they have more than enough information to destroy his defamation suit, and that's why he's making it go away. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see here on Ring of Fire, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You can see the little subscribe button down there, but if you're watching it on another device where you can't see it, go to youtube.com/TheRingOfFire, hit subscribe, be notified every time we get a new video.